Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install SHAREit app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. If you are facing this challenge, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix it. First, go to Google Play Store and make sure you are logged in before you install. But if this didn't work while logged in with your Gmail, then go to your Gmail account on top here and then go down to settings. From settings, look for network preferences and under it, go to app download preference. Here you want to choose over any network and then OK. This will ensure you can download and install this app via the current network you are connected to. But should this not fix your issue, then head to the next method, and that is the problem might be lying with Google Play Store. For that, you need to troubleshoot Google Play Store by long pressing on it, then choose app info. If you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear here or even the name of the app. By tapping on this, you will access app info. You can also access Google Play Store app info page through settings. From here, stop the app first and then go to clear data and clear cache like that. Then restart your smartphone and now open your Google Play Store app and search for your app. I'll run the search and here you have our app. I'll now try to install it. And now look at that, I'm able to download and install SHAREit app. However, at this point, if you can't still download the app, then you might want to check if you have enough space. If you don't, free up space by deleting unwanted or unused apps, as well as files from your gallery. So let me know if your problem was fixed. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.